Hello everybody, BT aka Gerard here, and the reason for the video is really brief. I'm going to proclaim that I have personally started large positions today and yesterday and the day before, shorting the US dollar. Today I opened a dollar Canadian short. Today I opened a euro dollar long, and I added to my dollar yen trade. Why am I doing this? Well, nobody is always going to be perfectly right in the market. So everything is a speculative move if you are trading. So, if I'm going to move to go short, again, it's speculation. If I'm going to move to go long, speculation. So make sure that you understand the risk involved and you don't invest money that you can't afford to lose. So that is my disclaimer. Very simple, straightforward. Now that I've said that, let's get to some charts, and I will be brief. I'm not gonna. Some people are like doing charts online, and I see these YouTube videos, and they're like, if it goes here, then that's gonna happen. If it goes there, then this is gonna happen. I don't know. I don't trade like that. I want to see simplicity on my charts, and I want to see things make sense. So I'm going to just go over the basics. Why don't we look at the weekly chart? That's right. The weekly chart on the S&P 500. Now, this is a good indication of where our risk off is going to go if indeed we break down, or if we're looking for a trade to swing, to hold, whatever it may be. This does warrant a view if you are trading Forex. You don't have to do it. I mean, you could just simply go by the Forex charts, but I do like to go a step further. I look at the equities, I see what's going on, and right now we are coming into a very serious support level. All right, we're going to find out what happens here, and what happens here I think is going to dictate the next week or two of where we're going to go when it comes to risk on. If we break down and we have a pathetic close today and we close at the lows, then that could mean some disastrous consequences over the course of the next few days. However, if we close strong today, I firmly believe that we are going to see a rally in the stock market for at least the next week or two. And if that happens, then I see the dollar yen going down. I see the dollar Canadian going down. I see the euro dollar going up. I also see the pound dollar going up, but I'm not going to fiddle with that because there's intervention going on there. So who the heck knows how they're going to wiggle that with the Bank of England involved. And that's my opinion. So why don't we go ahead, go to the time frame here, look at the 30, and you can just see that we got slammed down. Once again, stock market S&P 500. I'm not going to give specific levels. I'm not going to say this is the level if we hit there. No, I'm just going to say we're starting to get to these areas where traders, big traders, are starting to say, hey, let me go ahead and take a position going the other way. We're going to see what happens. Never a guarantee, as I said earlier. Now let's get this chart minimized, and we'll go to the dollar yen. This is tricky because, again, with interest rates rising and the dollar yen following the interest rates, it's hard to say exactly where we're going to turn around. But my guess is we start soon to turn around and go back down and visit these levels down here. So I've began a position on the dollar yen. I'm not going to give special targets and here is the stop. I'm not getting into that. Okay. I'm just saying I believe that this is a turning point that we're getting close to, and that's why I took the positions that I have taken. Whatever research you do, it's all up to you. I'm just giving you my opinion. So here we are. We got slammed down with the intervention. Then we just made our way up. Took a little brief break here. Are making our way up. We can very well make our way up to the previous highs over there, turn around, or we can blow through, or we can turn down here. I don't know. But I do know that I have taken a position short. Next is the euro dollar, which really does look ugly. And I know a lot of people are saying, well, fundamentally, we see gas prices so high in Europe, that's affecting this. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. In the charts, that is. I don't know. I'm just saying that this has just gone too far, and I believe central banks are going to have to do something because they're putting themselves in a position. Now, we know that Europe exports a ton, and this, yes, is good for exports, but it's not good for other businesses who also rely on imports from the United States. So it makes a lot of sense for them to start adjusting their currency, even if it means doing an emergency interest rate hike. Who knows? But I do think this is an area where we can start to scale in and look for a reversal to come. It may continue down again. Who knows? But this is what I am doing, and I hope that this opinion helps you to get an idea of how and when markets may turn risk on, risk off, and hopefully this can add to your arsenal of strategies. So have a wonderful day. Hope everybody can gather something from this, and if you have, then please like the video. Take care.